some questions for you, Professor.
This is a surprise.
There's a rumor that Newt Scamander is headed to Paris. I know he's working under your orders. What do you have to say for yourself, Dumbledore?
If you'd ever had the pleasure to teach him, you'd know Newt is not a great follower of orders.
The time's coming, Newt, when you're gonna have to pick a side.
Are you going somewhere?
No, we're going somewhere.
Jeez. I can't move against Grindelwald. It has to be you.